Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Aesthetic Makeup Looks. I hope you will find and always be happy in your life. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I will show you trendy makeup and hairstyle ideas all over the world which make you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest makeup and hairstyle ideas friends, then watch my video till the end friends. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, you will be notified by my new videos. As you guys all know, makeup is mainly being used to change or enhance the way we look, to feel more confident, and also to hide our imperfections. Makeup can be termed as cosmetic device that is used to prettify or add color to your face. On the other hand, makeup can give us a confidence boost. A lot of us feel we look our best when we have got a full face of makeup on. It helps us define features that would not otherwise be prominent without makeup. Guys, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any makeup and hairstyle ideas, and if you want to get this look, take a screenshot.